home, strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun.
Good morning, guys. So this is my stay in Abuja day 2.
There's only you. Maybe you should ask them because it's only garlic and this thing I'm saying.
Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a.
Next time I adjust my weight. That's why I'm using this thing because you can just pull off. Anyways, guys, we are going for evening chop something. We are going to have something to eat, and from there, why are you disturbing? I don't even know what to say. Anyways,
walking around.
I'm enjoying my life in Abuja, and
It's hot.
that's why we are wearing shimmy. They call it shimmy. We'll see you guys there.
Do me in the worst way. Don't let me sleep. Never say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh yeah. Take you like a pill.
I was supposed to take a video as you're pouring it inside now. Let's do that thing.
Sure, I need to.
Did you take it when you was pouring it? You didn't put the sound.
We are so freaking tired.
Very tired.
Especially this one
I
here.
want to sleep. I want someone saying I don't want to sleep.
We are so tired. I just want to go back home right now and
Already the house
sleep.
pricing.
Yeah, go back. We've not enter. Go back home right now and sleep. Then
Me?
tomorrow I'll go back to Ibadan.
I'm already on my bed sleeping. I don't know what she's saying. I'm already there. I can see it. I can feel it.
Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog, and yeah, we'll go back to our Ibadan tomorrow. Abuja was nice. Abuja was dope, and thanks to this darling over here, even though you can't see us anymore, there's no lights in our area. Thanks to this baby girl over here, she really treated me so well, even though I don't know, Abuja is trying to fuck me up these nights.
I want to sleep. You guys should subscribe. If you don't subscribe, if I catch you in my dream, I'll kiss you.
Yeah, okay, I heard that. Yeah, you guys should subscribe, turn on the post notification, watch out for our videos. I've given her morale, so she will start uploading from today. I promise. No, not today. Tomorrow.
I'll try to be a good
on
girl.
Tuesday. No, yeah, on Monday.
Good morning, Susie gang. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm finally going back to Ibadan, and yeah, I'm just gonna brief you guys on what I came here for. I came here for verification. I was asked to come down to Abuja for verification of, being a foreign student, to verify my documents, if they are original and all of that. And I had an exam and I finished it, and now yesterday when I checked the NYSC portal, I was told, sorry, you are not part of this stream, which will be going for this December, which is just next week on the 28th. They are going for so yeah, it's like 6:30 a.m. We woke up really early, but me and ChiTime, we're trying to fix the editing stuff and all of that, and yeah, I'm finally going back. So I'm going to the park right now, I have my bag all set here, so yeah, I'll see you guys at the park.
Truck.
Share, Opoyo. So,
Now only your own I get.
only my own.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh,
Where are your back map?
I don't want, guy. So guys, I'm on my way. I am at the park actually, and I'm going with this car. I'm not going by bus today because I just want to get there as soon as possible. So I wish myself a safe trip. A safe trip. Now, what do you mean? Anyways, good morning, guys. I forgot to close this vlog yesterday, so I am back to Ibadan. Please reduce this to copyright. Reduce this patapata.
It's true. They've
been doing it since.
The video was uploaded on Instagram.
Yeah.
They block it.
Oh yeah, anyways guys, so I forgot to close this video yesterday. I'm finally in Ibadan and my baby boy arrived yesterday from school. So now we are going to do our prepared. Everyone has light in this area, we don't have light. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. Abuja was lit, and you know, my baby girl Adeke, she made sure that I was satisfied. And yeah, get you a friend like that. Get you a friend like that. Do you get me? Do you get me? Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Let's start, you know, vlogging for Ibadan. NYSC is cancelled for now, so I just have to get something doing till February, hopefully by February, because I already have my call up number, so February obviously. And yeah, let's get lit, guys. I'll see you guys in my next one. Always remember to, people already looking at me, we're already approaching the junction. Remember to love what you do and do what you love. Be yourself, love yourself, believe in yourself. We'll see you guys in our next video. Say peace out.
Peace out.
Bye guys. So today I am finally going to Abuja. You can see the camp here, you can see them there. Anyways, ignore my messy hair.